Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of onions for hair fall. If you've been struggling with hair loss, you might be surprised to learn that this common kitchen ingredient could be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive into how onions can help you combat hair fall and promote healthier, stronger hair. Onions are rich in sulfur, which is a vital mineral for hair health. Sulfur is known for promoting collagen production, which helps in the regeneration of hair follicles. By boosting collagen levels, onions can strengthen the hair strands and encourage new hair growth. This is especially beneficial for people dealing with thinning hair or bald spots. Another amazing benefit of onions is that they improve blood circulation to the scalp. When onion juice is applied directly to the scalp, it helps increase the flow of blood to the hair follicles, ensuring that they receive the essential nutrients and oxygen needed for growth. This improved circulation can also help revitalize dormant hair follicles and promote thicker, fuller hair. Onions also have powerful antibacterial properties. Scalp infections caused by bacteria can often lead to hair loss and dandruff. Applying onion juice to the scalp can help prevent and treat these infections, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Regular use of onion juice can also reduce dandruff and itching, keeping your scalp clean and healthy. The antioxidants in onions also play a role in fighting free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage hair follicles and lead to hair thinning and graying. By protecting your scalp and hair from oxidative stress, onions help maintain your hair's natural color and thickness. To use onions for hair fall, simply extract the juice from an onion and massage it directly onto your scalp. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with a mild shampoo. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week to see noticeable results. If the smell is too strong, you can mix the onion juice with other natural ingredients like honey or coconut oil to make the treatment more pleasant. Incorporating onion juice into your hair care routine is a natural and effective way to combat hair fall, stimulate hair growth, and improve overall hair health. With consistent use, you can achieve stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more hair care tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.